Hey guys, Josh here. Today we've received our dash protector, okay, for this one, for the Yamaha PG-1. It took some time because this piece of film came straight from Vietnam. So for some reason, there are no available film here in Bangkok. So we have to really buy it from online reseller from Vietnam, and it arrived successfully. I just ordered one pair, one here and another one for here. So I wish I can install it properly because we don't have any reserve film. So let's install. So leave the motorcycle in place, use the dust remover. So it's plain and simple, just like installing a mobile phone film. First the wet one. Try to install the first one first. So for me, instead of spraying this liquid onto the film, rather spray this directly.
I just wanna stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes, it makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up, cash in the bag. Stadium packed, baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
Hey, the bubble will be gone in no time. But it's good, no dust at all. It's now installed for this one. And try one. That's it.